Hello guys, welcome back to my father channel. Now my mother sent me so many tables. This is jams and this is bread, my favorite bread. And this is pen. She sent me so many things. And also, thank you very much for giving me all these things. And also, this is my brother. And now it is so fun. Let me show you my school. See? This is my brother. It's so windy. They are studying in there. It is raining now. I'm going to. Now this is my school. My father come to visit me. Now, see, they are staying here. Let me show you. Okay, stay there. And that people is the one who will get the tips. Now let me show you my face. It is so cold and it is summer. I'm taking bath, so it is rainy day. It just rained for me and my father just came in. Now I'm staying in the hall. It's so fun. And also not only that, I'm sick. Guys, see my teeth. Now I'm going to go on the cat. Now let me show you some flower. This is my favorite flowers. See, we design all these flowers. And one girl is sitting there to see it. And there is a Kim flies. Now let me show you. It is so good. It's so good. Bye bye guys. I see you tomorrow. Now I'm going to show you around my hostel, okay? See, there's some trees. And this is the building. And let me show you the school. Okay? After one that is yellow house, green house, blue house, red house, and I'm in the green house. Now my dad is there. Let me go and look him.
Thanks for watching my official channel and my daughter speak. Actually, I don't know English language. Bye.
Hello guys, now I'm going to show you the way. This is my school. Here you see. Hi. This is my brother's. It is so rain. You cannot go see the building. It's so tall. Ah. She's jumping. And one small boy, come on. Now this is my father.
Ai sổ sang không?
Say something.
Cha chơi được cái.
Hello guys, this is my father channels, and also please subscribe his channels. Subscribe.